Alright, what's up everybody? Got a cop from DHgate. The seller was cheap_NK_shoes. Alright, I got the Bred 11 lows, okay? Now it didn't come in a box, I'm kind of disappointed, but it's alright. Got these things up in here. Alright, now. And it's been focusing, bro. There we go. 23. 23 looking alright. Looks alright. Now that Jumpman kind of messed up though. Jumpman kind of messed up. I ain't gonna lie. I'm doing so. Wait a minute. Yeah, them joints look. Yeah, that look messed up. See that Jumpman? Come on, man. It's alright though. Inside looking good. Inside looking good, man. Alright, let's get to the front. See, this is supposed to be in the middle right here. It's not really in the middle. My bad. Well, it's in the middle on this one, but on this one, it's too far up, man. Like, look, you gotta. I mean, I guess it's alright, but like, look, side by side, like it's not even even, like, but and then the toe box, it's alright. I mean, nah, it's not. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. This one looks good. See this one? Yeah, it's kind of iffy, but tell me what y'all think. And then let me see. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it got a dent. Like, can y'all see that? Hold up. It's like right here. It's a dent in the shoe. Yeah, y'all probably can see it now. It's like a dent. I was disappointed by that, because it's just a dent in it, man. But overall, man, I did only pay $52. So it's pretty good for $52. But I don't know if I want to wear them though, because they are kind of iffy. Like, look at this. You can't even. It's supposed to be right here. It's all the way up here. This one's okay, but I did only pay $52 though. So, and I will be ordering some more though. Maybe some 12s. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's check. Oh yeah, the carbon fiber. It is fake. It is only plastic, but unless somebody just looking at your shoe, then if they just looking directly at it, like if they pick up your shoe and just they'll know as soon as they pick it up. But so don't let nobody look at them from the bottom. Like, if somebody really looking at that, man, they need to be punched or slapped or something, man. Like, for real though. Alright, but yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Overall, nice shoes, but tell me what y'all think of them.